Hey, what's up guys? This is Ali from isocialu.com and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you 3 different apps that you can use to create amazing Instagram stories. So let's go. All right, so here we are on my phone. The first app I want to show you is called VidApp. So here we go. Here's the app called VidApp right here. Let's open that app, and actually it helps you create videos very quickly in that aspect ratio. I think it's 9:16 that you can use on your Instagram stories. So by the way, you can use these apps not just for Instagram stories, but content for your Instagram feed, Facebook, or other marketing channels. So once you log in or download the app and open, all you have to do is click on the plus icon, and then it's gonna open your camera roll. I'm gonna go to some of my speaking, or I call them power poses. So let's select 3. And by the way, this app is probably the fastest way you can create videos. You'll just see in a second. Hit next, and that's it. So the audio, the music, I'm gonna turn it off so you can hear me instead of the audio from the app. But you can add the music or audio on your video. So first thing first, I'm gonna click on the top, and you can change the aspect ratio. Look at that. So you can do square, all these. So for Instagram stories, we can do 9:16, and you can select the time 10 seconds or max. Let's go do 10 seconds, done, and I'll look at that. And then this is where you can select different genres and then the audio. And these are actually really cool. I have disabled the music from my phone so you can hear me speak or doing the demo. So let's see if you do that, then I'll hit next, and that's it, you're done. So let's play this. And like I said, you probably can't hear it, but there's a really cool music that goes with it. And obviously you can add, so if you look at the bottom, you can add really cool filters. Look at that. Right? So this was my second scene. You know, it seems like one mistake I made, so I'm making the 9:16 aspect ratio, but my images that I selected, they were in the different formats. So that's why here it looks kind of strange. Let's actually go back, and just for fun, I'm gonna change it to square, because you can also upload, and look, the video is much better. There you go. Hit next. And again, you can add different filters. You can change the color. You can add sounds to it. You can change the music. Let's do this, use. You can also add text to it. So I'm just gonna put my name. How cool is that? Right? And then you can move it anywhere that you like. And then once you're done, just hit save, and then it's gonna add that video to your camera roll. And I know we created not 9:16 but square video in this demo, but when you add it to your Instagram story, let me show you, you can still use it. So for example, I'm gonna go add that video right here, and I'll look at that. And if you want, you can kind of play with this right here. Look at that. Very cool. So this is how you use this free app called VidApp. You can create videos in just a matter of seconds, add music to it, and really have fun with it. All right, the app number 2 that I want to show you is called InstaStory. So here is that app, InstaStory. So here we go. We're going to open the app again. This is what the app looks like, InstaStory. and it has amazing templates. This app is freemium, which means you can use it for free, but if you pay, you get additional templates or additional features. You don't really have to upgrade. You can continue using the free version. But let's say if you want to select this template on the top, and then look, there are so many designs that you can use. All right, let's go with this design right here. And now I can hit the plus icon, and let's see, if I go to the power poses, look at that, let's select this, and then hit the one below. Same thing, let me go to the, and then you can also play with the filters at the bottom. This app is really, really fun. Let's go back here, select this. I'm just gonna say social media workshop, because these pictures are from one of the social media workshops I ran recently. And you can, at the bottom, you can play with different text options. You can also add another text that you want, or another text element to it. It's actually, we don't want that, so I'm gonna delete that, and that's it. So this is how your Instagram story will look like. Let's go back, and then once you are done with the changes, you can hit that save icon at the bottom and then save it to your album. You can also share it directly to Instagram, Facebook, or any other place. So this was the second app, InstaStory. Really cool app that you can use to create really creative and interesting collages of images like this, and put creative text elements, and basically create Instagram stories where you stand out from the crowd. You're not just mixed in with them. All right, the third app that I want to talk about today is called Petra right here. There's another really cool app. Basically, you can create backgrounds with different patterns, even patterns of, let's say, your face. You can use you can create branded background. So imagine your logo. You can use your logo and create a branded background, and then use that on your story. So it's just a really, really cool app. And so here we are, Petra app. And then once you log in, you'll see a lot of different options. So look, I'm just playing with it. So this is one of their default templates. You can add different stickers to it. Look at that. Hello Weekend, that's so cool. And then you can change the designs. I believe you can change the colors. There you go. So there's so many options. All right, so these were some of the default options in the app, but the cool thing is, so hit the camera icon at the bottom, and now, instead of seeing my face, just for fun, I'm just gonna bring one of my pictures. So let's bring one of my pictures. Ooh, that's a bad picture. All right, let's go with it anyways. So once you have a picture in there, you can kind of like draw a line around the element that you want to repeat, because it's going to repeat this pattern, and hit done, and look what it does. So here you go. So it repeats that pattern, and then you can make it big. You can kind of, play around with it. The way I use this app is save your logo on your phone, your camera, and then bring it into this app, and then you can repeat your logo and create really like a cool sort of backdrop, so to speak. But these could become your branded background for Instagram stories, and help you, increase your business awareness on Instagram, and help you stand out from the crowd. All right, so this is it. If you guys have any questions, if you like videos like this where I show you different tools and apps that you can use to create content, let me know in the comments below. And also make sure you do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell icon, so you will know when I release the next video in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you another day. Bye.